Hello YouTubers, my name is Mindspot20. Today is a tutorial video on how to download State of Decay. State of Decay. State of Decay is like a really hard some survival game. You can okay, let's begin. We open up my website and search the Pirate Bay. And search state of decay, state of decay, and skid row, and you click on, and here you can see you got this. You can click on CE. My is DE, but we click on DE. And the first one, or refresh this. Okay, you got this if you have searched State of Decay Skid Row. You got all of these files. You see State of Decay Breakdown Skid Row, only Breakdown Skid Row. That's the one we want. And you click on State of Decay, you got this. And then you click Get this torrent, start the program, and you have downloaded it, and you got this. Oh no, shit, that was wrong. Click on State of Decay Breakdown, open up it, and you got these two files. The first thing you're gonna do is right click, power ISO, set number drivers from 1 to 8. I like my 4. Click on 4. I click on 4 and click on that again. Power ISO, mount to whatever you want. Mine is G, so I'm gonna mount it to G, and you're gonna do that. And you go to computer and to CD station G. You're gonna click on it, double click on it, and it comes to setup. If it not comes, I'm gonna click right click, open. So setup, click on it. Next, you have to have program files 86, Microsoft Studios, State of Decay Breakdown. So you do the setup, you click on next, but I click on cancel file. I already did this setup, and then you see it's not done right yet, but you click on Skid Row, and you got these programs. Gonna extract all of them, copy them, go to computer, OS, program files 86, and you see Microsoft Studios, State of Decay Breakdown, and then you just paste them in. Also, just paste them in. Looks like this. So yeah, so now we are finished. Now you have finished the setup, and you are good to go. And you're good to go to play some State of Decay. So have fun with State of Decay. It is State of Decay, the normal one, and State of Decay Breakdown. But State of Decay, the normal one, is good. It's the best. That's the story also. So have fun with it, and hope you like my videos, and bye.